Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can go live on TikTok with a really easy way. So what you want to do is just click on the TikTok, go to home button or discover, and then just gonna press the middle button, and there is this thing. If you can't go live right now, that you have only 60 seconds, 50 seconds and 40 templates, what you want to do is go to me on the right down corner, go on the upper right corner to dots. Now you want to go to report a problem. Okay. And you don't even need 1,000 followers for it. Go to live and transaction. I'd like to start a live. No. And I still have a problem. And now you will write here, hey, I could go live in past, but right now I can't, and I would like to go live. Live. My fans would love it. Thank you. And instead of hey, just write hi. I could go live in the past, but right now I can't. Fans would like to go. What do they just wrote? Again, if I would like to. Oh my God, I can't even write. Like to see me going live. Like that. Yep, this is it. Thank you. And then you're just gonna send it. And after that, you will be able to go live on TikTok. It will go like in 1 day or 2 days, and you will be able to do that. So that's kind of it. If this video was helpful, you can support me and subscribe. And also write in the comments, what would you like to learn from TikTok, and I will make a video on that. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and see ya.